What's up, broskies? Welcome to another video. It's very windy today. Check it out. I'm gonna go grab a coffee real quick with my homie Derek, and then we're gonna come back and hopefully finish the 350Z. What's up, bro?
What's up, bro? Some coffee or what?
Let's go. Alright, so Derek went straight piping his 350Z. That shit's fucking loud, bro. Sounds like you're cooking some popcorn, bro. Some nasty popcorn, bro. Do it again, bro. You can turn right here. Alright, broskies, it's time to get to work. Alright guys, by the end of today we're gonna have this car painted, alright? No more excuses. Alright guys, so what I'm doing right now is cleaning the car. I gotta remove all the dust before I paint it. Alright, so now we're gonna tape up these puppies because we don't want to get some overspray on them. You know what I'm saying? Real quick. Put some tape. Got it. Alright, now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna primer these real quick and then we'll start painting the whole car. This is what I use. Spray can. Shake well. That should be good. All right, guys, I'm gonna get some lunch real quick, and then we should be good to paint it. All right, guys, I have half of the car sprayed. Well, most of the car is already sprayed. Check it out. I gotta do the back, and then I gotta do the bumper. So far so good. I'm gonna finish spraying it, and then I'll show you guys right now. This is just the base coat. It's not the once I'm done spraying the base coat, like the red paint, I'll throw the clear after. All right, and this time I'm gonna remember to use the hardener. All right. All right, guys, I just finished spraying the car. Check it out. What do you guys think? My whole floor is sticky because of the clear. You can hear my steps. Check it out. When I'm finally done, fuck, after I don't know how many fucking weeks. Check it out. Ooh, pretty dope, huh? I think it looks sick as fuck. Not bad, huh? Now I just gotta wait a couple days, and then I'll wash the whole car, and then I'll probably cut and buff it. That way the paint fucking shines pretty good. It already shines pretty nice, but I'm pretty stoked that I finally fucking finished it. Finally, guys. Pinche yonke, it took me forever. Alright. Now that the paint is done, probably in the next video we'll install the colors, and then we'll install some other wheels that I have. What do you guys think? Should I go with white wheels, or should I leave the pink ones? I think I should go with the white ones, but we'll decide that on the next video. I'm gonna go take a shower right now because I'm all sticky. My body feels all sticky. Alright, broskies, I just got out of the shower. I'm gonna end the video right here. Please like the video. Thank you guys so much for watching. I know there's a lot of people that just subscribed. Thank you guys. I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace out.